We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can summarize a web page on the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus phones. So to start, you will need to open the Samsung web browser and then open the web page or the web article you would like to transcribe. I will personally go at our very own HardReset.Info website and then open one of our recent articles here. For example, this one. Now, once the web page you would like to summarize is opened and you're looking at it, at the bottom toolbar you'll find this AI icon, so tap on it, OK, select the summarize option here, and now wait for this whole web page to be summarized into its key points or its bullet points. Here they are. Once the summary is ready, you can also switch its style between standard and detailed. Depends on, well, what are your goals and what are you doing that for. Sometimes it's better to stick with brief summaries. Sometimes it will be more convenient to have a more detailed description, so that's completely up to you. And from here you can either translate it if needed or copy it and then just proceed with this copied bullet points as you see fit. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.